Alright, so let's see what we have. Pretty sure the guy said it's a Manco. Fiberglass body. A little dinger there. How does the rest of it look? Not too shabby. The underside. He did give me the mirrors, which is pretty cool. Oh wow, what we got here looks pretty solid, minus that little right there. So this thing is insanely low, very low, too low. I mean, I don't even, I'll be able to fit in this one compared to the Madness. And I almost wonder if I should use this frame, get rid of the slicks, probably sell that, turn this into like an off-road go-kart, use some big tall tires, bigger motor, or small, I don't know. It's just, it being so low, living out where I live out here in New England in the woods and sticks, I don't know where somebody would drive it. Not sure. Does it matter? It does have a live out. Wow, bird! I like birds, but that one was angry. Thought it was gonna peck me. Yeah, guess what I paid for it? He had it at 150 on Marketplace, then it was dropped down to 100, and I got it for 80. She needs some work, but I don't know. I think, I mean, that probably has like 30 inches of ground clearance. I almost like how it looks without the, yeah, I already can see that being a way to hook up a spare tire if needed. I like the purple. You guys know purple's my favorite color. Needs all linkage. Alright guys, tell me what you think. You know what? Before I even work on this, I want you guys to tell me what you would do to this. Yeah.